In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Getresponse video. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Getresponse account and looking at the main dashboard. We are going to create an email newsletter and add a video in a clean, clickable way using Getresponse's built-in video content block. This method does not embed the video directly inside the email, since most email clients do not support true video playback. Instead, it creates a thumbnail with a play button that links out to your video, which is the most reliable approach. First, go to the top menu and click Tools. This is where Getresponse keeps the main features for building campaigns and content. From the Tools menu, select Email Marketing. This takes you into the area where you can create and manage newsletters. Next, click Create Newsletter. This begins the newsletter setup process and opens the message creation options. When you are ready to build the actual email layout, click Design Message and then select a template. Choose a template that matches your goal, like an announcement or a simple content update. A clean template usually helps the video stand out and improves readability. Once the email editor loads, look to the right panel where the content blocks are located. Find the video block and drag it into your email layout, placing it where you want the video preview to appear. Try to position it near the main message or call to action so it is easy for subscribers to notice. After you drop the block in, you will see a field labeled Video URL. Paste your YouTube or Vimeo link into that box. Make sure you use the full correct URL for the video you want people to watch. Then click Go. Getresponse will generate a thumbnail image with a play button overlay. This is what your subscribers will see in the email, and when they click it, they will be taken to the video page to watch. Take a moment to confirm the preview looks right and fits the surrounding content. A clear thumbnail can help improve clicks and engagement. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.